In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Bluetooth mouse to your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. So all you have to do is to put your mouse in pairing mode, and different mice might have different ways to put in pairing mode, but the most common is using a button. So as you can see, mine has a toggle here, and when you toggle it, it's currently off. When you toggle it downward, just like that, it's going to enter Bluetooth pairing mode. As you can see, it's going to start blinking rapidly. So now all you have to do is to go into settings on your phone, tap on Bluetooth, and as you can see here, it's already detected my mouse because my Bluetooth is on. So simply select your mouse and then tap on pair upon the pairing request, and it's going to be connected to your phone. Now you can use your mouse to navigate through your phone and do various things on your phone just like that. That's basically how to connect a Bluetooth mouse to your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Like and subscribe, questions and comments down below. Take care and God bless.